everyone. We have a really quick video for you today in preparation for the opening of the redone Loch Ness Monster coaster. Busch Gardens Williamsburg has put in the Loch Ness Monster Sighting Center directly in front of the coaster on the opposite side of the railroad tracks. As you can see, the center is open April 4th through the 21st, which is a Sunday. It's just only here for a couple of weeks. It's just this little tiny pavilion here. There's not a whole lot to look at, but we're gonna go take a look at what is available to see. This would probably look a little bit better at nighttime. You can see a little bit, they have some lighting effects shining on the boards. In the sighting center, they give you some lore, some nice classic photographs of the early times. Also, feel free to slow this video down to read all of the text. Here's another side. Third side. I especially like this picture down here showing how the train looked for the 20th birthday of the coaster. I wish we had been here to see that. And the last side. Nice look at the station over there. Going all the way up to present day with the current advertising picture that they've been using. And last but not least, you might have seen it in the distance earlier, they have this little sign right here showing the bite size of the Loch Ness Monster. And if you notice, the left side of the picture is the actual coaster train that they're using, or one car of the coaster train that they're using as an example of the bite radius. So there's not a whole lot to this area, but it's fun to look at this stuff, especially if you're really into the history of the Loch Ness Monster coaster. Here's an up-close look at the recently repainted sign for Loch Ness Monster, as well as the repainted wall as you first enter the queue. They also, looks like they put some walls up in the station in the distance back there. So everything's coming along quickly. It's about a few months ahead of schedule or so, I've heard. They've also finally announced that the ride is opening in May, and the preview should also be sometime in early to mid-May. So that's all there is for the preview center that they have here. It's still a nice little addition. Here's a better look at the area where they're holding the trains. You can see one of the trains sitting there. They gave the cars a new paint job. The yellow is more vibrant now to go along with the vibrant track. And of course, there wouldn't be a Busch Gardens video without us announcing the dark coaster gratuitous wait time. At about 3:30 on the first Saturday in April, the wait time is 90 minutes. Though they did just have an announcement, and I think it was down right before we got over here, so it just came back up. So it's a 90-minute wait after just coming up from being down. So that was it for the sighting center. It wasn't as full as we had hoped, but it was still a nice addition. It was fun to see some of the classic pictures of Loch Ness Monster. It makes us wish that we had had the chance to ride it back early in its lifetime. But we hope you enjoyed seeing it, and also the updated paint job to the ride, and are looking forward to riding it when it reopens in May. So if you enjoyed the video, we'd appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel. Every like and subscribe is a big help to the channel. Also, please be sure to check out our Instagram page, which is appearing way above Jen's head right now. And then below that is our Threads handle. And also at the bottom of the screen is our email address if you would like to email us any questions, comments, constructive criticism, whatever you want. We'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for watching, but the fun's not over yet. Click the box in front of my face for another fun video. Or click my tree to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video.